Right, here I am down at the West Paseo on April 12, 2022, 25th week of major construction. Time is now 10:20 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Looks like they poured more concrete here today. I see down there around the little planter areas there's concrete. So moving on with the concrete pouring down here. Let's sweep around the area, see what else we got going down. We're getting the concrete work done. Might be able to move along into getting some planters built here in the near future if that's part of their plan. Let's see, I'm going to move on up here to the top of the stairs. Looks like they're doing some surveying down here below me. You see the surveying instrument right there. So this is what we got going on here in the West Paseo today. Concrete work getting done, moving along. Got another surveying instrument back over there, so obviously prepping for stuff that's to come. Has to be built out here. Let's go out on the end. Look across into the West Bowl. See what's happening over here in the West Bowl. Had a cold front move through starting last night, so the temp's back down. I think it's probably around 65 right now. So nice, some nice cool weather after a brief spell of heat. So this is what we got going on down here. Got a couple of guys back over there. Looks like we're on a break time, 10 o'clock. Here's what we got going on down in the West Paseo today. Right, I'm gonna move on around to my usual spots now, I think. See what's happening across the site today. Now what? Alrighty, some kind of shut down on the Zhiyun Smooth 5 there for some reason. We are looking over the fence here down at Brown and Main. See what we can see down here. Alrighty, so what we got down here. at Brown in Maine. Right, here I am down at the rear construction entrance. I'm gonna shoot here just a little bit. Some little water hosing down out here. Guys working on their trench work over there, doing some surveying, it looks like, tied in with, I'm sure, what they're doing out there. This is what we got going on down here. You can see they put up some plywood there. I don't think that was there yesterday. Tried that tree. That'll be used when they're building their concrete handicap ramps. I think it'll come up like that. It'll be there for that. So this is what we got going on down here. Gonna move on around to the west bowl here now. Alright, here I am moving out of the parking structure towards the west bowl here. Time is now 10:33 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Move on around to the west bowl. Like some demolition going on back over there. Just shooting over the fence here real quick. See what's happening down here. Pan around slowly. I'm gonna move on up to my stair perch here next. Alrighty. Right, here I am on my stair perch. Switched over to my 77mm telephoto lens for shooting up here. See what we got going on. See I'm doing some work back over there. Across the way. Got one of the combo tractors there. Got the backhoe back over here. And just got some work going on down here in the West Bowl area. Climb on up a little bit higher here. Over to the East Bowl. Back over that way. Looks like they may be doing work around that curved sidewalk they had laid out there yesterday. So, stuff going on over in the East Bowl there. Quite a few guys over there. I'll be over there after a bit. See if I can see what's happening with this jackhammering over here. It's like the combo tractor back over there. It has got a jackhammer attachment. All these trees are in my way though. So yeah, he's back over there knocking something out. That's what we're seeing there. Some jackhammering, a little bit of demolition on something that's in there they don't need. Alrighty, so I'm going to move on around to the far side of the Performing Arts building today. Shoot something over there. Alrighty. Alright, I'm down at the east side of the Performing Arts Center now. Shoot over the fence. Got my 77mm lens still going here. Pin around here and shoot a little bit. See what's happening down here. All I can really see is what's on the iPhone screen here. Shoot out to the... It's kind of an awkward way to shoot, really. Shoot over into the east bowl there. See what's happening. We're in the east bowl. Go back over here to the Civic Lawn, right out here. This is what we got going on down here. Just panning around, trying to see what I can see. So much glare on the screen, I really can't see shit, really. But this is what we got going on down here. So I'm going to move on around to the east end of the project here next. See what I can see. Back over there. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the north gate now. It's 11:07 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Looks like we got some towards me here. I'm supposed to be wetting this down, but it's gonna be breezy today, so not any activity right in direct in front of me that I can see at all. I think they're working back over here in the east east bowl back over here, so I'll be around there in a minute. And sweep back around on this road that they've got torn out here. They're working on. So also notice back over here what you didn't notice last time I was down here. They got their Scottsdale clock stored back over here now, out of harm's way till they can put it back somewhere where it will belong. But there's the clock. I was wondering yesterday where it was. It was right behind me all the time. So this is what we got right here. I'm gonna move on around a little bit. But it's pretty dead out here on the Civic Line right now. I'm gonna move around to... Right, here I am a little bit farther around, shooting across into the Civic Lawn. You see the sidewalk out there that they were working on yesterday. Arcing on around. So it looks like a lot of activities going on back over here in the East Bowl area there. I'm going to move on around there in a second. This is what we got going on down here. Civic Lawn. Not a whole lot really. So I'm going to move on around to the East Bowl now. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl, looking across using my 77mm lens here. Guys up there working on that little curved sidewalk, it looks like, getting that fixed up. Doing some work over here. It's pretty mellow down here, really. Can't really see that much from here. Got my usual perch closed off again over there, so that's what I see down here in the East Bowl today. They're just continuing along with their work out here. So I'm shooting at the library steps today. What the heck? Shot there in a while. Might be able to see something across there I can't see from here, so I'm gonna finish this up here, move on around to the library steps. I think it's gonna be my goal here. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the library steps now. I haven't shot here for a while. Can't really see much down here worth shooting anyway at the moment. Time is now, let's see, what the hell time is it? 11:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time is the time down here at the library steps. Don't see anybody out here now. Maybe they went on their lunch break. This is what we got down at the library steps here. A little bit of a blustery day now as the cold front passes through. You can just see the top of the sidewalk that curves around over there, so he's shooting a lot here. There's not much going on down here right now. So you can see the tractor that's doing the jackhammerings moving around over there. So guess I'll wrap this up here for the day. Not exactly an auspicious day today, but I saw a few things that were of interest. So I'm gonna wrap this up here and head back home and get this all fixed up. Alrighty, April 12, 2022. Moving on along, 25th week of major construction. So this is what we got today. Alrighty.